For many, changing reality feels like heavy lifting. We're taught to treat goals like a boulder, requiring constant, forceful effort to move inches. This effort-based model relies on a strict, linear sequence. You start with a thought, move to an intention, take physical action, and hope to eventually see a manifestation. This system is built on polarity. That gap between your current state and your desired goal creates a timeline of delay, chasing an outcome just out of reach. Practices like vision boards and affirmations served as training steps, helping direct our focus. However, as the speed of feedback between our internal states and the external world increases, these slow methods are becoming inefficient. We are moving into a fluid creative matrix, the quantum field. It operates at a higher frequency, where barriers between thought and matter dissolve. In this 5D environment, we have to adopt an entirely different logic for creation. It's a shift from a linear, action-heavy process to a system based on instantaneous resonance. Within this field, thought, energy, and matter function as a single continuum, different expressions of the same living reality. Because these elements are unified, creation happens at the speed of frequency. Adjust your internal vibration, and the environment instantly reflects that change. Manifestation becomes an act of synchronization. Instead of trying to attract from the outside, you configure your internal state to align with your desired reality. The traditional law of attraction was framed as like attracts like. While this introduced the idea of vibration, it still suggested a separation, the creator on one side and the desired object on the other. Resonance works differently. You emit a specific, coherent frequency, and the quantum field organizes its potential into a matching pattern. You aren't pulling an experience toward you, you are broadcasting the blueprint for reality to follow. In the quantum model, the separation between the creator and the field disappears. You are an inseparable part of the field itself. When your inner frequency matches your intention, the universe conforms to that signal. Physics dictates that two identical frequencies must synchronize, effectively collapsing the time it takes for a goal to become a physical reality. Your primary task is embodiment. You stop chasing external events and instead focus on radiating the specific signal of the reality you wish to inhabit. To broadcast a clear signal, we have to look at the biology of how we interact with this field. The human mind, while good at directing focus, is not the body's most powerful transmitter. The electromagnetic field of the heart is significantly more powerful than that of the brain. It is through the heart's field that our intentions are imprinted onto the fabric of reality. A coherent heart sends an undistorted signal. The quantum field mirrors this signal back to us immediately because there is no emotional static or doubt to filter the message. This process relies on a specific state of time. While the old model focused on future needs, quantum creation happens entirely in the present. Deep presence makes the field completely responsive. By anchoring yourself in the now, you remove the delay of waiting and allow the field to react to your current heart signal. When you combine the power of the heart with the stillness of the present moment, creation becomes a natural, effortless reflection of your internal state. Working with these principles daily requires a shift in focus. You move from the act of trying to summon a new life to the practice of stabilizing a specific frequency. First, prioritize embodiment over visualization. Rather than just picturing a goal, feel the gratitude and peace of having it now. This anchors the result in your current emotional state. Second, use daily anchoring. Start your morning by consciously choosing your frequency. Breathe into your heart until that feeling of expansion becomes your baseline for the day. Third, use gratitude as a mechanical tool. Gratitude is the frequency of a completed event. It tells the universe that the outcome you desire has already occurred. Fourth, let go of the need for control. Trusting the fluid mechanics of the field allows reality to rearrange itself with more precision than your logical mind could plan. By holding these states consistently, you allow enough time for physical matter to organize itself around your new internal vibration. We are learning to infuse the material world with a higher degree of consciousness. Our role is to bring coherence to the landscape around us by mastering our own frequency. The universe responds to your wavelength, not just your words. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions are the codes that shape the reality you see. You are no longer just an observer or a seeker. You have become the field, the frequency, and the formula itself. Watch as the world builds itself through your resonance.